Apostle, wait there, answer about sorry, no, wait there, we can on the lighter note. Let me bring this one. I know I'm to say Shatta Wale, sorry, we hold the church service, all those who cannot make it to church.
Wow.
Or no cry, or we consider him as secular way, why, yeah, sorry, we'll hold the church service.
Because he has the platform.
Okay.
Because he has the setup.
Okay.
Because he has what it takes to organize virtual church.
Okay.
So he took advantage.
Wow.
But I wonder what he told them.
This is APFM.
But I wonder what he told them.
But it's good. It's
right.
It's good. It's good. At least at
and
times like this.
God can use anybody. It's wo collar. Now we share cassock. Now we share coat. Now we pulpit. Microphones. So what's the nya? Nyami be use Shatta Wale.
This is APFM.
No, you shouldn't say encophobity. That's right.
Look our followers.
God,
This is
I'm telling you,
APFM.
look, one more. Edimbia different from saying. SM movement. Can you count them? Abraham Tebi can't let me say. Okache will be no nipa no ebo mama ne say. Say ni mami wumpo. Na Shatta Wale ye programmer. Omo fa ni mami phone ntwen.
Hey.
This is APFM.
So to be fa ni mami phone ntwen na omo nkosi ono be ko Shatta Wale.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
likes.
What they say? That is the SM movement now. It is.
Then I think the church need to do some church movement so that we can grab the youth there and then make it. Me faham
Assemble kwa can use the church and the youth among no.
Okay.
We are not making the church so interesting for the youth.
Wow.
We don't
This
think
is
about the youth.
APFM.
Whatever policies, whatever programs we organize, we don't have the youth in mind.
Wow.
No.
Apostle, this is a bombshell.
Enti ema youth nani nje. So mbeba sorry dance. Ombe joining Shatta movement. Any SM for life.
And then one SM for life.
Beam Nation.
Beam Nation a sack movement for
This is APFM.
Mami mo Shatta Wale abaso.
Okay.
Sisi ana producer chire. In fact ndiem so ono want to tie.
Ono there serious or your beam or your SM.
And or chire even the book, the Bible book that Shatta Wale used, and even the altar call he did. Shatta, I am not your follower. Even though I like your songs, but I'm not your follower. Okay, but onyami nshiraw.
Me ko tweet you on the page or me do video you got to.
Me pese obi kanche Shatta Wale say jumane no wo ye no.
This is APFM.
Nobody can break him down in this country.
Amen.
He will
This is
go
APFM.
up and up and up.
Amen.
For
This
him
is
to able to
APFM.
preach the gospel when it's
This is
needed.
APFM.
Ebra yesi yama yenhie mu nkwa asore na watumi enya idea of reaching to the people of God. Onyame nhyira no.
Amen.
This is APFM.
Amen.
Onyame nye Shatta Wale kese.
Amen.
Na mo mitunu fu say ya omra fom.
This is APFM.
Because edengara ye wo mpanimfo e wo mem. Shatta nyame nhyira.
Video ma Shatta nsaka video we.
That's
it.
No Shatta number.
Na ka che Shatta say betumi on frɛ me.
Me see video in Sabeka.
This is APFM.
I mean, your SM movement.
What can someone many
This is
I never
APFM.
knew Shatta Wale could do that.
Oh, serious?
Yes,
Me when news. I was
let me be frank with you. I am so excited that Shatta Wale.
This is APFM.
Oh, and I make because we think say some things are not important.
Important, yeah.
And so almost a bit baby necessary and to me because we did away with certain things that would have helped us to do what we are supposed to do today.
Wow.
What did I make and say? And Shatta Wale has done so well. Onyamisha senka enipa e wodi no what platform no followers nyina yes enka memu ko mi shows obi abe tinyame asem. Wow. And I can imagine the number of people he reached yesterday.
Serious or no movement in the serious.
Because the movement no nkwa mu nipa nkwa no mo kasa yi amasa. Millions of Ghanaians.
Yeah.
Shatta nyame nhyira.
Amen.
Nyame nhyira me tuche at the mouth.